Good afternoon, everyone. Curry College Steve for the forecaster. Joe Shockey here. Quick video. We're in the classroom. It's Friday. You know what that means? We are in the classroom. We have the screen up, and we have what we talked about last Friday, which we knew was coming, which is obviously Matthew, and now there's a major hurricane, Matthew. So let's take a look. 11 o'clock update here from the National Hurricane Center. 115 mile an hour, Category 3, moving to the west-southwest at 12. You can see there is their forecast cone. Again, this is going to continue to be a major hurricane over the next couple of days. And I think there's a shot that this becomes a Category 4. I mean, this is probably going to become 130, 140, maybe even 150 mile an hour hurricane by the time it gets to Jamaica on Monday. And then, I mean, this is going to be a devastating blow for the island of Jamaica, the country of there, the island of Jamaica. As you can see, they obviously indicated by their track. Monday morning, 12Z, the center of the Saints coming up east of Jamaica, if not over the island itself. But again, that's going to be a very high impact. There's a potential for tremendous loss of life in Jamaica with this thing coming through. Same thing with Haiti, for potential for some very heavy rain, and also eastern Cuba. This is going to obviously across eastern central Cuba here. This is going to obviously weaken depending on how strong it is here, but likely it's going to be major hurricane status, I think, and get probably even a 4 by the time it gets to Jamaica on Monday. This will probably weaken to either 1 or 2 as it comes across Cuba. We'll have to see how that interaction with land is, but that's still going to likely be, I think, a Category 1 or if not a Category 2. And then here, middle of next week, this is going to strengthen back up, I think. I think this has a shot to become a major again, maybe a 3 or a 4 by the middle of next week, and this is going to be a big blow also for the Bahamas. So again, a lot of people are going to be impacted by the storm, but thankfully, this will be going out to sea in the longer term, as some of the ensemble guidance says, that this will be thankfully recurring off the East Coast and not doing any more damage than it's already about to do. And also, I'm going to switch over really quick to the Tropical Tidbit site to check out the latest aircraft reconnaissance, so just stand by for that. Here's the aircraft reconnaissance from early 1458Z. You can see the pressure at 969 millibars. You can see this west-southwest movement. But again, this is a very well-defined tropical entity, and I'm also going to go back and I'm going to pull up the visible satellite imagery as we're starting to see an eye clear out on this, so just stand by for that. Here's the visible satellite imagery. You can see here, I'm going to try to get up close. You can see right here in the last frame or so how there is an eye developing right around here. I'm going to point to it right there. You can see with my finger, you can see the eye is starting to develop and starting to get cleared out. So when that eye gets cleared out, next couple of hours, this thing's going to continue, obviously, to strengthen. But you can see here from the cloud shot, this is a very well-developed hurricane, obviously, as it is a major. Even though there is some shear off to the northwest and to the west, it's because it's such a developed system, it's going to be able to fight off some of that shear. It has its own environment now. So, I mean, this thing's going to take full advantage of everything it has. And again, this is going to be a very impactful storm for the island of Jamaica as we head into early next week. But again, that is a beast of a system. Certainly one of the strongest storms we've seen in this part of the world since Sandy back in 2012, and potentially it's going to pass that regarding its intensity in the Caribbean. But again, it's been quite some time since we've seen a storm this far south and to this intensity of what Matthew is. Later on this afternoon or this evening, I'll have a more detailed video out regarding some of the ensemble guidance on Matthew. But that's it for now, and thank you for watching.